Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. Modern mining, I love your flag, man. Jump change, you too. Pocket change, miss you. The beginner's block, what's up, man? Deep miners, financial failure, crypto for seniors, what's up? You guys may have noticed I got a new light in here, and yeah, I just installed it, and man, it is way brighter in here. Now you guys can actually see the hardware that I am taking videos of now. Okay, so this video, guys, I want to talk to you about my Kaspa miners. Right now, they are not making much money right now, especially my KS5M, KS5Ls. Okay, I have another KS5L. I also have a Bitmain KS5 Pro, which is over on that shelf, which is positive at my electrical rate of 8 cents. But everything else, my KS0s, my KS0 Ultras, the KS2 Lite that I have here, and also the Gold Shell EKA1M that's heating my house upstairs, is in the negative. I'm burning electricity right now mining Kaspa. So just to show you guys, I'm on miningnow.com at my 8 cent per kilowatt hour. Okay, my KS5 Pro that I have mining Kaspa is positive at $4.17 a day. Okay, after 8 cents electric. But my KS5M, it's like making 85 cents. KS2 Lite, 2 cents. Okay, just pretty much breaking even. And KS0 Ultra, I'm like breaking even. But everything else is now turning into the negative. My KS0 Pros, which I got a whole bunch of the commemorative KS0 Pros, as you all know, is now in the red. Okay, KA boxes are all in the red. Ice over KS1, KS5L, negative 67 cents a day, that's in the negative. Gold Shell EKA1M is in the negative. So I am burning electricity now than I am earning in Kaspa. Well, that makes sense because Kaspa's price right now is 11 cents, almost 12 cents as of recording this video. So I want to talk about my plan regarding all these miners that I have, and I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm going to do with them right after a word from today's video sponsor. CryptoMinerBros.com. Since 2018, Crypto Miner Bros has been the go-to source for all the top crypto miners trusted by miners worldwide. The prices you see on their website includes shipping and DDP to your door, so there are no surprises at checkout. They ship to over 100 countries and even offer lower invoicing to help you save on customs fees. Pay with direct bank transfer or crypto payments such as Bitcoin, USDT, or Kaspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RedPanda at checkout for $70 off each ASIC ordered. Join tens of thousands of satisfied customers who trust Crypto Miner Bros for their successful hardware fulfillment, transparent pricing, and world-class service. Visit CryptoMinerBros.com today, link down below. Okay guys, so all the Kaspa miners that I have, the 10 commemorative KS0 Pros, the KS5Ls, I have 2 of them, and then I have a KS5M. Oh, and then I have another KS5L hosted with Ice River at 8 cents per kilowatt hour, which is now losing money basically, okay, on a KS5L. And then the KS2 Lite I have here, and then I have the Gold Shell KA1M upstairs. And then I have a Bitmain KS5 Pro right here. Okay, which is really the only profitable Kaspa miner that I have. So Kaspa's network hash rate has been dropping over the past, I'd say the past week or so here. Okay, just a little bit because the price of Kaspa has come down and everyone else has been saying their Kaspa miners has not been generating much profit right now anymore. So they're losing money on electric. So am I gonna shut down my KS5L here, my KS5M, KS5L? No, I'm not going to. Because I am still of the belief that Kaspa will melt faces. Is that financial advice? No, because I'm still doing the long-term test with the 3 KS5Ls and the 2 KS5Ms that I have that cost $30,000 US back in August 1st. Those 5 miners, I am trying to break even on all 5 of those Kaspa miners. So I have been mining and holding Kaspa since August 1st of 2024. So we have mined since August 1st, 2024. It's now, you know, second week of January 9th, I think, as of recording this video. We have mined 80,887 Kaspa. Okay, That's worth $9,479 worth of Kaspa. Have we broke even yet on the $30,000 investment? No, definitely not. And if we include my, electricity, so if I did 3,400 watts times 5 units of these KS5L, KS5Ms, that's about 17,000 watts, right? So 17 kilowatt times my 8 cents per kilowatt hour, all right, that'd be about $1.36 per hour times 24 hours. I'm spending $32.64 every day to run these Kaspa miners, and I'm paying that out of pocket, or I've been doing that since August 1st. So that's a good 5 months ago, okay? So if I did, let's say, what's 31 times 5? That's 155 days or something like that, plus another 10. So let's just say times this by 160 days. That means I spent $5,222 in electricity over the past 5 months on these Kaspa miners. So I'm in the red, like $35,222, because I haven't sold the Kaspa yet. I haven't realized, the gains or losses. I think my cost basis has been going down because Kaspa's price over the past year, it's been hovering between 10 and like 20 cents. It hasn't gone past 20 cents like at all, right? Maybe it did a little bit, but it's just been in this 10 to 20 cent range. So my cost basis over the past 5 months, maybe the past, maybe in the middle there, back in like, October, November, it was good. But now that it's dropped down, my Kaspa bag here that I'm holding, right? I'm doing the mine and hodl test because I'm hoping that Kaspa is gonna go higher than 12 cents to where it is now, right? I'm hoping Kaspa goes 40 cents, 50 cents, $1. I don't know. If that does happen, then this would be over $80,000 as of now. Is Kaspa gonna go to $1 tomorrow? Probably not, but that's why I'm doing this long-term test, okay? Even though I am now spending more on electricity than I am yielding on these miners, and especially in my own financial situation, I am okay to spend that type of money every day out of pocket to run these miners in hopes of future price appreciation of Kaspa. So now looking at my KS0 Pros, these things I got back in, I think May or June, I don't quite remember, but they've been going non-stop. But same thing, right now I'm losing, 9 cents on these guys. I should really turn these off. I think I'm gonna turn these off, but just looking at the yield, right? I'm still almost mining almost 1 Kaspa a day on each KS0 Pro. Is that a lot? No. But if you think about it, what if Kaspa went to 80 cents or $1, let's just say, then it's like I'm mining 82 cents a day right now. Actually, that's kind of depressing to think about on these little miners. But you know what? Maybe I'll just give these away because actually no, I'm still solo mining on all of these. I'm solo mining Kaspa on all of these. So it's been generally good. Actually, all the smaller miners, even the KS2 Lite, I am solo mining Kaspa still on all these, all the little miners, okay? Let me know down below if you guys are doing the same thing. So I'm gonna keep these going solo mining. Now, the KS5 Pro, I forgot to talk about that. I am also doing the mine and hodl test on this KS5 Pro, I think since September. Okay, so since September, this KS5 Pro mined $2,164 worth at 12 cent Kaspa. But if we look at the yield, the amount that I've mined since then, it's 18,548 Kaspa. So if Kaspa went to $1, and I'm not saying that's gonna happen, I hope so, not financial advice, then this means that this would be $18,548. So I think the initial price I got on that KS5 Pro was, I think, 8,000. So in order to break even on that miner, we will definitely need to see some price appreciation on Kaspa. I'm keeping track of it, mining to 1 Tangent wallet, okay, similar to the 5, Ice River, 3 KS5Ls, 2 KS5Ms, the $30,000 August 1st test that I'm doing. I am still keeping track of this, okay? So is it gonna play out? Is it actually gonna play out? I don't know. And I recommended, a couple of months back, or actually back in, I think it was July 2024, not to buy Kaspa miners anymore because we all knew the aggressive emission schedule. We all knew. And just basically, there's a lot of new models coming out. Pretty much, there was new models coming out like every month, it seemed. So is Ice River or Bitmain gonna create a new like KS7? So I think it looks pretty dire. I think the life cycle of these miners is really, I mean, we all knew, we all called it. I called it last year. I'm not gonna boast about that. But I think the other side of it is, it hasn't played out yet, okay? I'm gonna give it a fair shake. I think the time horizon, again, it hasn't played out yet. I guess for all the hardcore Kaspa fans out there, I could name off all the good things that Kaspa is going for, right? But you all know already what Kaspa's about. And I think everyone's time horizon that are too quick to say, oh, Kaspa mining's dead, or, all that kind of stuff. I mean, it follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price, when it falls, everything else falls. When Bitcoin's price starts, ramping up and going past new higher highs, then you'll see altcoins start going up as well. And I hope Kaspa is gonna be in that boat as well. So 2025, this year, I truly believe is gonna be a big year for anyone that's, doing the whole mining and HODL method, but we'll see if that plays out, right? I am here to document that, okay? For anyone who has, spent this type of money back in August or September, for the KS5Ls, KS5Ms, the KS5 Pros, I'm doing a real test of mine and HODL, and I am paying all the electrical bill out of pocket. Is there a chance that this test is just going to flat out not happen? Like, there's no price appreciation of Kaspa. All the electricity bill that I've been paying out of pocket is just a sunk cost, and I just lost it all. Well, I can expense it, of course, but you know what I mean, right? Just, is it gonna play out, basically? Well, I think so. So the time horizon for me, and I think for a lot of you guys for Kaspa, is, altcoin season, middle 2025, maybe 2026. We'll see how it goes. But the beginning of January here in 2025, it's not looking too great. These smaller, now inefficient, Kaspa miners, they're just, they're not pulling their weight anymore because the Kaspa's price has gone down, and also the Kaspa's network hash rate. We've hit that equilibrium, essentially. And so there's a lot of Kaspa miners, there's a lot of hardware that's out there, and so it looks like, when we saw the Kaspa network hash rate dip down over the past couple of weeks, well, that makes sense because people's electricity costs now, depending on their electricity cost, they're now losing money mining with these big boy KS5L, KS5Ms, and the little Kaspa miners. They're all wiped out now. But I am of the belief, still doing the long-term test. We're gonna see if it plays out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys think of my garage lights I just put in. I think it looks pretty cool. I did screw up a little bit, and I made the best of it, but I think I installed it okay. And now I got light everywhere. I can see all my ASICs. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.